We're not even here. Nope, missed. As soon as they touch you, the waves get pulled away.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to the Gulf Shores vlog.
Just wait to be. She's just like the breeze. You will not want to be.
Good morning, everyone. So today is the first morning here in Gulf Shores. It's like 5 a.m. and we see some dolphins. My mom thinks that maybe she saw some stingrays. My mom offered me her coffee outside and she was like, well, it's just to save you, you know, steps so you don't have to go back inside. And I was like, well, I'm making breakfast. Like, I'm going to get breakfast. I'll make some coffee. Now I know why she offered me the coffee. Because this is an ice block. Like, I guess she froze it so that we could travel yesterday, but this is what I got.
Where to go?
If you can't tell, we have a 3-year-old here on this vacation, so I don't know how much we're gonna do, how much vlogging I'll do, just because, you know, she has her own little mind and we're gonna try and accommodate her little mind.
Come, let's go find out.
Time to change into a swimsuit. Swimsuit is on, so you can't really see the bottoms too well, but this whole set is from Target. I liked this set so much I ended up getting the one piece too, so you'll probably see the one piece on this trip. It just looks the exact same except it doesn't have like the little red on the bottom.
I know just where to be. She's just like the
Cute.
you will not want.
We out here or whatever, and I'm reading my book. The current book right now is Thursday Murder Club. My therapist recommended it to me because she knows that I like Agatha Christie, and the basic premise is it's based out of a retirement home, and like the residents of the retirement home love to solve murder mysteries, and then all of a sudden there's a murder in their building, and so I think they go and solve it. And so far the murder hasn't happened, but so far it's really good, so I would recommend it. But I'll let you know. I'll post a post on my Emmi Reads post and I'll let you know. Here's lunch. So we have our little sandwiches, got some carrots, and then got some Ritz crackers with some crab dip on them. Thanks, Queen, for going to the store for us while we were at the beach.
Welcome.
Love
Have
you.
feminine products right here.
Hey, my tampons!
And
I forgot to pay my rent and it's due today, so let me go do that really quick.
Say you are the one to hold your own. Well,
I'm currently editing a vlog that I should have edited last summer. See, my problem is that I'll get started editing and then I think, well, nobody's gonna like this, when in reality I'm literally just vlogging for myself so I can have these videos to show my kids someday. I've really been trying to focus on just filming what makes me happy this summer, and then also like not like pushing myself too hard to like edit, like being super nitpicky, I guess I should say. And I feel like it's really working out. So I'm finally getting through vlogs that like I should have edited a long time ago, and it feels really good because again, like I'm gonna be able to look back on these vlogs someday and be like, oh, like that was so much fun. Just showered, so now we're gonna make a little meal. This is my contribution because I don't have enough money to take us out to eat, so I told my mother I'll make a meal. So here we go. Which should be concerning for everybody watching because I could burn water. Just saying. We're making some creamy tomato rigatoni pasta. First, what we need: onion, garlic, guys, is that black mold or is that dirt? Like, okay, update, I think it's just the outsides of it that are moldy. Duh, you cannot tell me that is dirt. Like, you can't tell, like, you can't lie to me. Don't lie to me, because that's mold. Guys, Queen Regina is back from the beach. So she's helping me cook. She's got the butter going over here, and then I cut up the onion. Now I'm working on the garlic. The garlic. Woo, baby. Woo, woo, woo. whipping cream. Yeah. Good. I'll link the recipe in the description box below. You're welcome in advance. So Regina and I are now on ice cream duty. So we're gonna get some and then we'll bring them back for my sister. Ice cream! So my brother's name is Matthew, and when I went to the grocery store earlier, I saw this place called Matt's Ice Cream, and I was like, we should go there because what if they have a t-shirt and we can get him a little t-shirt that says Matt's Ice Cream.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, you didn't have to do that.
I got Mississippi Mud, which is chocolate with fudge and chocolate chip. Omi got some
truffle bourbon, butter, brown sugar, something.
and Catherine got some strawberry. Perfect. It was super cute in there. The t-shirts ended up being $35, so we'll think on that if we want one of those, because that's kind of crazy. Good morning, everyone. It is day 2 of the beach, and so we only have one more day, which is kind of sad. But anyways, I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I think tomorrow's gonna be our big shopping day. But today, still, we're playing at the beach. I've been doing homework this morning, aka watching YouTube. So I've been watching Jules LeBlanc. It's so funny because I grew up watching Bertaley, and so it's so fun like getting to see her now that she's older and getting to watch her YouTube videos. I love her. I think she's great. I would recommend. It's very much just like video diaries, kind of like what I want to do. So I think I'm gonna get up, make some coffee and get some breakfast, and then maybe I'll sit on the balcony for a little bit before I go down there. I'm having a little bit of an Emmy morning while they take the baby to the beach, so. It's incredibly windy today. I'm really surprised the flags aren't red or double red. Like the riptide's really bad. They're going in banana boating. You could not pay me to go out there. Like, I don't know how to explain and show like how bad the waves are today and how windy it is. To be honest, I didn't really film anything in the afternoon because we didn't do a whole lot. The whole household, minus me, took really long naps. So we got back down to the beach, played down there for like an hour, and then came back up. At that time, it was practically bedtime for Alora, so we had dinner, and then me and the gals all sat out on the balcony and read our books and just enjoyed the pretty sunset.
Would shimmy the water off of his feathers.
Good morning! Today is day 3 of the Alabama trip. And it's quite a rainy day 3, so I think what we're gonna do in the morning while the storm passes is we're gonna go shopping at some of the local shops, and then we're gonna get some seafood for lunch, which we're very excited about.
I would say across the street from Alpha's Island, which is a big.
So here's the outfit for the day. It's just my little jean dress from, I think, Free People. And then my shirt is a Free People shirt. And just like that, we're ready to go.
For Bub.
You like that one for Bub? Yep. Okay guys, are y'all ready for my haul? I got a lot of stuff. Ready? Got my little keychain. Alora, can I see your sticker so I can show the camera? And then, oh, and then Alora got a little sticker. Very cute. She really likes it. Right, Beans? You like your sticker? Yeah, she's shaking her head, yes.
Ooh, very
so, successful first one. I think we're going to another surf shop to look at t-shirts and stuff like that. So, I'll keep you updated. Okay, I didn't get anything there. Honestly, I felt very overwhelmed. There's a lot going on. I know Regina and Catherine both got some magnets, a shirt for Beans, so it was successful. But now we are headed to go and get some food, some seafood.